ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to get into the new Native Girl Scout line. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts on the line, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. Ooh, coming in. Coming in. I see y'all coming in. How y'all doing? How you doing? Well, welcome. Hey, family, we are going to get into Native. Now, those that know me, y'all know. Yo, sis was going to get the new line. You know. Now, I tell you what I wasn't going to do. Okay, let's go there. You know, let's go left real quick.
Everything stops for tea.
Well, Native, I mean, don't let Target come out with the line before you. Come on. Make it make sense, okay? But anyway, because I got to get my discounts, okay, on the site. And so I had to wait. And that's why this video is a little bit, you know, late. But it's here. So you all know your girl is a Native girl. And they had the Girl Scout line.
I'll buy a cup if you buy a box of my delicious Girl Scout cookies. Do we have a deal? Are they made from real Girl Scouts?
Let me tell you, now with Girl Scouts, I was not raising my hand for Girl Scouts as a child. No, I was not. Why? Because you had to go camping? No. No. I'm not going camping outside. Camping, like, the rain come. Like, camping, like, you got to make up the tent and then put it in the ground and you got to sleep in a sleeping bag on the ground? Nah. Girl Scout was not for me. Now. So, needless to say, that was not my gift or ministry, honey. So, but let's talk about the cookies, because everybody liked the Girl Scout cookies. Even if you weren't a Girl Scout, you liked the cookies.
Are they made from real Girl Scouts?
Well, some of the cookies. So, let's talk about peanut butter. Okay. I was expecting a little bit of a heavier peanut butter.
You ever try to spread coat peanut butter? You'll tear your bread up.
But to me, this is light. To me, this gives me a light peanut butter. I don't know if you all thought it was going to be a turn off to put like peanut butter on top of the peanut butter. But if you're going to do peanut butter, to me, do it right. Do the peanut butter right. So this was okay. It was a little bit of a lighter scent than I would have liked, but does it smell like peanut butter? Yes, it's just lighter. So if you don't mind smelling like a little peanut butter, then this is for you, okay? So definitely, would I repurchase this? No, I'm not checking for this.
Hate it.
I would not repurchase this. So this will be, after this is done, it's over, okay? But if you have any, I would say like nutty fragrances, kind of like an almond fragrance, I would think this would pair really well if you were trying to pair a body wash with like your almond nutty type of fragrances. So definitely a lighter fragrance, but it's okay. Next up, honey. Why did they have to create this one? Okay, there's two of them that I'm like, why did you? Because you had picked another flavor.
Why?
Was there another popular Girl Scout cookie in the area? Okay, coconut caramel. Okay, hear me out. This I actually enjoyed more than a peanut butter, but I will say the coconut in this is the shaving coconut. When I tell you, it is hilarious because you can smell the shave, the little shaves of the coconut on the cookie. It is coconut, cookie, and chocolate. okay, and chocolate. That's all this is. That's all it is. It's a burst of the coconut shavings. And when like, if you have smelled this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It is the shavings of the coconut, okay? It doesn't give you like a tropical coconut and I'm on the island and I'm on the island and the coconut. Oh, the coconut. It's not one of them. Nope. Straight up coconut. The way the picture looks like, I think this is coconut on top. I would never, okay, never order this cookie. I don't like shaving coconuts. No. Mm-mm.
It sucked, Bobby.
Nope. So the smell is cool for what it is. I mean, it definitely gives you these vibes, but would this be a repurchase? No. I'm sorry. This would not be a repurchase, but the commitment is real. And if you like coconut, chocolate, and cookie, hook yourself up, okay? Moving on. Next up, another one of the cookies that's not my favorite. They decided to do all my non-favorites, except for one. Actually, I do like peanut butter, but anyway, Thin Mints. I don't even get chocolate and mints. I don't get it. I don't get when they try to give it to you at Olive Garden. I don't get it I don't get it. So this as a cookie, I'm not a fan. But when I tell you the scent, this is the strongest out of the entire line, in my humble opinion. If you want a strong chocolate mint fragrance, this is what it is, okay? It is, this cookie is in here. I don't hear it, but I am convinced that the cookie that's on this it's in here. Say it's not. I know it's not, but it should be, because it smells exactly like a Thin Mint. That is exactly what this body wash is, and it's loud, okay? Just like me, it is loud, okay? Very much like projecting all up in my shower. It was on my body when I left the shower. I wasn't even asking for it. I was actually like, release me. But am I going to use this? You best believe I'm going to use this. I purchased this. I'm not going to waste it. You going to waste yours? Your business. I'm not going to waste. This is going to be gone. Whether I like it or not, I'm committed to using all of it. Okay? If you like a good chocolate and mint, this is the best. Like, is there other chocolate and mint body washes out there? If there is, let me know if something is beating this. Because in my eyes, to my nose, in my opinion, not like I'm seeking out all for the, mint and chocolate fragrances. Anyway, this is so good for what it's trying to do. Perfection. Okay? A repurchase for me? Nah. And last but certainly not least, we have Trefoils. Okay? Honey. Now, let's talk. This was my favorite from the line. Okay? I'm not even going to rank them. I have nothing to rank. I mean, if you want me to rank in smell, I told you Thin Mint is the top. Like, even more projecting than this, okay? But the one that I loved the most out of this line was this one. This is a flaky, buttery sugar cookie. That's exactly what this is. You get the butter cookie. Butter cookie. Like, that is what this is. If you want to smell like a butter cookie, hook yourself up. All right? But would I repurchase this is the question. No. Oh my goodness. I am so sad, Native. Native, I have none in this line that I would repurchase on the repurchase for the repurchase.
Funny. You should be ashamed of yourself. It's funny. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Native, why did you do that to me? Who told you to do that to me? Didn't nobody tell y'all to go on vacation and just make a Girl Scout cookie because you just wanted to partner with Girl Scouts? You should have picked some other cookies. But again, out of the entire line, I enjoyed this more, but this would not be a repurchase. And that says a lot because I'm the cookie girl. Okay? Cookie candies, like I am the cookie girl. But it was like, first of all, it's not heavy to me. It was not loud. I like a loud, okay, in my shower.
Will you shut up? Shut the hell up!
I like a loud fragrance note. It's more comforting. It's more soft, you know? Yeah, it's okay. Now, out of the entire line, I would recommend this, I would say. So if you are into that type of scent and you don't mind something a little bit lighter, then I would highly recommend you get this one. But out of the entire line, Native, this was not my favorite. Now, I will say they have the lemon, like a lemon cookie, but it's in the deodorant spray and the actual like deodorant. They don't have it in the body wash. Are you joking? Okay, Native, what are you doing? I probably would have loved the lemon one because I smelled like the deodorant and it smelled really good. Very prominent in lemon, but it had this cookie type of scent. I probably would have adored that one to be in a body wash. And then maybe this would have been like my top two, but I feel like maybe I would have repurchased that lemon one. I don't know, because I don't have it and I haven't used it. I don't know. I'm done. Native. Okay. Well, let me know your thoughts, family. If you try the Native line of the Girl Scouts, let me know your thoughts. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know your favorites, okay? This was not the review that I wanted to do. You all know I love Native and I shout them to the highest. But this line, there are no repurchases. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.